Have you ever noticed that your lips stay dry even when you're drinking plenty of water? Most people still believe that dry lips just mean dehydration, but even in 2026, that's one of the biggest myths about lip care. Hi, I'm Jenice Story with AJ's EO Infusions, and as a nurse, I can tell you that there are actually four specific reasons that your lips stay dry. Quick reminder, this video is for educational and wellness purposes only and is not intended to replace medical advice from your healthcare provider. And once you understand what's really happening, it becomes much easier to break the cycle. First, your lips are structured differently from the rest of your skin. Unlike most areas of your body, your lips just don't have those oil glands. That means that they can't produce those natural oils that help protect and moisturize your skin. So, your lips lose moisture much faster, especially when we have dry air, heated indoor spaces, or even cold weather. So, this is why your lips can feel dry again in minutes after applying something. The second reason is something that most people just don't realize. When lips feel dry, we reach for that lip balm, and of course, it feels better for a moment. But if the product isn't actually helping support your skin barrier, then the relief is temporary. So you reapply and reapply. Over time, this creates a cycle where your lips begin relying on constant product instead of restoring the natural barrier. And that's when people say, I can't go anywhere without my lip balm. Another factor is environmental stress. So, we have the indoor heating, air conditioning, cold air, the wind, mouth breathing, and of course, even stress itself. So, all of those slowly weaken the delicate skin on your lips. And in today's environment, where many of us spend most of our time indoors with climate control, this issue is actually more common than it used to be. It's not just hydration, it's structure, it's environment, and barrier support. The fourth reason is irritation from certain ingredients. So, some of the lip products that we use contain fragrances, flavoring agents, and tingling ingredients. And of course, these can create that feeling of relief that, something's actually happening on your lips, but they can actually increase sensitivity and dryness over time, which keeps that dryness cycle going. So the solution usually isn't applying more. It's supporting your lips in a way that helps them maintain moisture naturally. That means focusing on three things: gentle care, barrier support, and consistency. When you shift from chasing relief to restoring function, dryness becomes much easier to manage. So, if you've ever felt like you're applying lip balm all day and still feeling dry, you're definitely not alone. If you'd like to learn the simple 30-second lip care ritual that I recommend for supporting your skin barrier, I will share that more. I will share more about that here on the channel in the description. And if you enjoy learning simple science-based wellness tips like this, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos.